if you want to uninstall all those apps which you have installed in a batch format, like all the applications whatever is installed in a single click, then just go to the apps section over here and just check all the apps which you want to uninstall. Okay, I'll like to uninstall these all apps, and after checking that, you will see here uninstall just button over here. Just click on that uninstall and just click OK, and this is how you will uninstall all the apps whatever is installed on your device, very in quick and easy way. So that's it, all the apps is uninstalled. Okay, so I will recommend you to more explore and learn more about the software. And thanks for watching. Do like our videos and subscribe to our channel.